runny. I mean, it's kind of runny, you know. Not super, but try to make it like hold its shape. It don't hold its shape that much, but it kind of goes slow, like a cotton candy would, like hold its shape. So I actually really like this slime, and I hope that you buy this slime. Cotton candy will probably be around for quite a while because cotton candy is like really easily found of a scent, and you can find it very cheap and even have those really good slimes and scents that smell so good. That smells better than cotton candy. So yeah. I also will be posting this on my account. So, and I had a video of the chocolate caramel, chewed up chocolate caramel, and then I put it on my actual, like my personal account instead of my slime account. And so I had to like post them, and then I deleted them, and then it's been really hard to post videos though. So I've been doing live videos. I've been going live. So also remember, I don't know if I said this or not, but it will become bigger if you make it yourself.
What?